bright spot. I think it's about to separate.
Yep. Oh. Through the clouds, I think.
No, I don't think it's through the clouds. I think that's the stage one separation.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, there you go.
That's the boost back, right? Or is that it? I think that's the stage. Okay, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, because now it's going to come back down the fall somewhere. It's probably going to light somewhere near the horizon.
Yeah. It's probably falling, huh?
Yeah, it falls supersonically.
What's the terminal? Oh, I guess it's heavy.
It's pretty heavy. It's also a long tube, not known for air resistance. Oh, no, there it is.
Wow.
Fire,
oh, wow, that's fast.
Fireball, fireball.
Should we start hearing it?
Don't clap yet.
Padum, padum. Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's cool.
The sound is still coming down.
You can still see the stage 2.
Yeah, it's still going.
The stage is like, looks like a comet now.
Yeah.